Hi, and welcome. Thank you for joining. In this video, I will be discussing the best time to harvest broccoli. When you gather the head of a broccoli and you're eating a floret, what you're eating are unopened flowers. Now, how do we know when it's time to harvest broccoli? It is time to harvest once the central head is fully developed, but before the individual buds open and display small yellow flowers. At this time of maturity, the main head is tight and compact, and the florets are a deep, vibrant green color. So I have a number of broccoli plants growing in pots. These I decided to leave them in the pots. They were leggy and fragile, so I planted them in the pots to provide extra care. And I'm also able to stretch the growing season by putting them in the containers. I'm able to move them to ensure they get the required condition. So here, at least one of the harvest did have some flowers, but when you notice that, just remove it as soon as possible, and you'll see why that is important. I'll discuss further why, but for the most part, those like the one shown here that I'm harvesting is ideal. They're quite small. That's because the restrictions growing them in the pots may have to do with how much nutrients I added also, but nevertheless, I'm pleased with the what I'm getting here so far. So do not get rid of your plant after the main head of broccoli harvest. You can see shown here there are some development of side shoots of the main stalk of the broccoli, and over time each one of these side shoots grows and develops into a smaller harvestable head of broccoli, extending the harvest. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to the Petersville